The service Live Animals and Birds and Ornamental Fish Permit facilitates importing various kinds of animals from different countries through quick and smart procedures. Individuals as well as companies with trade purposes can obtain a permit directly after online payment without the need for an audit. To access the service, first go to the Ministry of Environment and Water portal through eservices.moew.gov.ae. Log in and search for the Live Animals and Birds and Ornamental Fish Permit as explained in the How to File a Request video. Once you've found the service, click it. Fill out the form. In the Initial Information tab, choose an applicant. The applicant information is automatically filled out. Remember to check all data before confirming your request. In the Service Information tab, choose the exporting country, the expected arrival date, the shipping method and the entry port, and add at least one consignment data statement. Then click Submit. In the pop-up, click Pay. In the Payments form, select your payment type and choose your preferred card type. Check the box to indicate that you've read and understood the payment terms and conditions. Then click Pay. The procedure is now complete and your permit has been issued. In the pop-up, click the link to check the import permit. Under Request Outputs, click Import License to see your permit. To download it, click the Save icon and choose PDF.